Hello everyone! Today we will be talking about design components in Framer X. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn more about masters and instances, including how to create, override, update, and nest design components. Design components are reusable building blocks for your design, created right in the canvas. They should either be a frame, like this one, which you can right-click and select Create Component, or they can be multiple design elements wrapped in a frame. To do that, right-click and hit Add Frame. Then you can create your component. This is a master, as labeled in the Layers panel, and it can also be found in the Components panel. From the master, you can create copies of your design block, which are called instances. This means that every change you make to the master will reflect on them. You can override parts of an instance's design, but if you do, next time you make a change on the same part on the master, it will not reflect on the instance. You can make any change in an instance, but not add new elements or delete existing ones. But you can hide them if you want by hitting Command plus semicolon. If you need to revert the changes you've made, you can always right-click on an instance and select Reset Overrides. Overrides are all the changes you make in the properties of an instance. If you need to edit these properties quickly, you can enable the master's custom property controls. You can give them appropriate names so that they appear on the instances like that. For now, custom property controls are limited to text and images. When using overrides, you might find that you like an instance variation better than the original. You can update the master from an instance by selecting Update Master. In the same way, you can detach it from the master and go on making changes until you are happy. If you cannot easily find the master in the canvas, you can always locate it through an instance. Design components can be used to save time from repeating elements and even build a design system. In real life, you will find yourself combining components. In this case, a text component is nested inside the original image component. This way, we are able to control both components separately, but also access the child component's property controls from the parent component. As you can see, I'm repurposing the text design component to the latest article component. In a few seconds, you can create the rest of the design while keeping all your elements reusable. Notice how we can change the title across all components. All that's left is to connect it to the scrolling area and we are done. In just 3 minutes, we built a design with reusable elements. And because Framer X is based on React.js, every design component can be imported later in a custom code component. We will learn more on code overrides and code components in the next tutorials. Let me know what you created with design components in the comments below, and if you have any questions, ask away. See you next time!